guys think about that red stop start button? Essentially, what it does is it just takes this black, kind of boring stock OEM from factory stop start button, and you just, add some spice to it. I purchased this on Amazon. It was about 10 bucks. And to remove it, I just took a piece of clay. It actually comes with something in there, like some kind of glue, like butyl glue. I like it. The only thing that is really getting to me is that the actual stop start is not really centered. Like, I'm not sure if I'm showing you guys properly, but if you notice, it's a little bit to the left and a little bit raised up a bit. So whereas this kind of is dead center, that one is not. Now, you might not be able to tell, it might not bother you, but for some odd reason, it kind of bothers me, especially now that I know it's there, and I kind of look over to the side and I'm like, wow, that looks out of place. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Mike from Slow Speed. How's it going? I kind of feel like it was a long time since we did the install video. I mean, give or take. Today I'm going to be installing side skirts and the rear spats on my BMW. Now, if you take a look right here, this was the impact area where my neighbor went ahead and took his car and decided to make contact with my car. As you can see, I cleaned it up a bit, buffed it out a tad bit so it looks presentable. Like I said, I think I'm gonna rock out with this bumper right here for the time being, and then summertime comes, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a nice diffuser on it. Well, not necessarily in summertime, when it starts getting a little bit warmer, and when I can find a diffuser. If I can find a diffuser sooner, it's going on there sooner. So pretty much as soon as I can find a diffuser, and as soon as I can go ahead and get an estimate on this bumper, whether it has to be repaired or replaced, we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and mount up these rear spats, these side skirts, onto the BMW. Line it up and tack my first screw in. Alright guys, so the rear spats are on, they are installed. Heading back to the house so I can go and grab the jack. Oh yeah, look at that thing right there. Oh, that thing looks pretty nice. Back is a little weird shape, but I mean, it's not bad. I like it. Looks like the guy just bought it too. Kinda like, oh, that's what's his name? DJ, I think that's DJ Envy or something like that. I wanna say it is, it might be. It's a nice car, man, nice car, but yeah, see, look at that. Right there. Nice sick Ferrari. Now, like I said, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna see how it works out. Alright guys, the job is complete. You see I had to layer up because it started to get a little chilly. However, bam, bam, it's all on. Alright guys, off to the car wash. All right, guys, we got the car cleaned up. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at how the side skirt extensions came out. So just let me get there. I advise you guys not to, you know, do anything wild because you might lose control, but we throw some pops in the tunnel. Yeah, but that's all I got for you guys right now because, like I said, it's a good idea to gun it when you have tire shine on the tires because they tend, like I said, they tend to put it real dangerous area. I'll see you guys when we get to the location. So we have the side skirt right here. Now, this extension has a gloss black wrap top. You can tell a little matte black side, which I was gonna fill in with that red. I don't know, because when you stand from right here, I kind of like how it just stops. If you guys look at it, I kind of like how it stops right there. My favorite part though is the back. It definitely widens it out a bit. I like it more so because if you notice the bumper kind of curls in and then this comes out and follows the line of the wheel. You know, it's not exactly as like wide and decked out of it, but it compensates a little bit. It's kind of like a, okay, it's actually nothing like a wide body, but you get what I'm saying. Those spacers, man, I tell you, those spacers come in handy. If you guys don't know by now, I have 12 millimeter in the front and I have 20 millimeter in the rear. You can see it's like the perfect amount of flushness right here. You could even bottom out and it'll just go, it'll sink right into the inside. Oh. That perfect amount. I think the project, the F32, the 435, the BMW, whatever you want to call it, you know, the slow speed, I'm gonna call it the slow speed 400 right now. So it's the SS 400. Getting ready to sign off. I had people looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm filming. This is 2019, baby. People film every day. Slow speed 400. I think I'm gonna get a decal on the side too, say like slow speed and have the 400 and like the light gray or like the 400 in red. Oh, what y'all think about that? Have like a decal on the side that says like slow speed, or it could just say, yeah, slow speed, and have 400 in the red, and on the top part, like the top part right here, I don't know, it could be something above slow speed. I don't know, but well, I could do my YouTube and my Instagram. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But what I will say is every time I get this car washed, it kind of makes me really like the silver on silver look. Like just look at that stance right there. And this is OEM ride height. This is OEM wheels. Not really OEM tires, but you know, give or take. You know, you throw some tire shine on there, which I'm not really a fan of the shiny tires. You know, I just got Pirellis and some 22. Tell me what you think right now. Whew, okay. More and more I do like them a little bit. Now they are a generic side skirt. This is just like a straight piece of plastic with wrap on top. You could do something a little bit more, but I don't know. I kind of like it. It kind of suits the car a lot. I didn't want to go too over carbon fiber because I kind of wanted to do, you know, wheels, tires, turbos, and big things like that before I would go too much to the carbon fiber. But I realized you guys really like looks more than performance. With that being said, I am going to make the car look nice. Probably just going to do it like how I do it, and I am going to focus like on power and obviously stance and stuff like that. But look at that. That silver on silver look looks dope to me, man. It looks dope. I don't really think I'm going to ever change the colors of these wheels just because I can always revert back to them. You know, if you change them black, it kind of gives it that silver and black effect that a lot of cars have, and it's not bad, trust me. I've seen like some really dope, sick cars, but I don't know, I feel like if you're gonna do black, and I'm not talking about black aftermarket, obviously. I'm talking about like painting these wheels black. You could do that, and they come out sick and they look dope. but I feel like it takes away from the character of the wheel a little bit. And seeing that this is a silver car, it's like silver on silver. Oh man, come on man. You can't go wrong with this right here. It looks dope. The back end, the rear right here is like sexy, you know, super sexy. You got the carbon fiber trunk lid right here. And it's still holding up pretty well. I got this off eBay, believe it or not, and it's holding up pretty damn well. If you ask me, look at that carbon fiber weave. Just looks like a little, like a jet style. One thing I do like about this wing is how it actually is pretty good with the even. You look at both sides.